Oh my god, it's hot on Marmaris beachfront in April. The kids have all got ice cream. Rochelle's making them all line up. It's like, line up, photo, photo. Kev's getting all the ice creams in. How much, Kev? How much? Free. Thank you very much. And just next door where all the kids are getting all the ice creams, just next door is Pandora restaurant. Merhaba mate. Alright. I'm good, thank you. Ian, nasılsın? So you got Pandora there. The kids are enjoying ice cream. Marmaris is just opening up now. It is. Don't forget, it's only the beginning of April. Everywhere's just starting to open up now. And when I walked past him, he said, oh, he asked about my dad. And I said, oh, sorry mate, my dad passed away. He said, let me get you a shot. Mate, thank you very much.
You are welcome, my friend.
Thank you. Sheriff.
Sorry for boss.
Thank you mate, appreciate that. So you grab me a shot. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Thank you very much mate. Banana.
Yeah,
Muz.
Gelato.
Thank you mate.
Thank you very much.
So that's Pandora's. Oh, breakfast as well now. Kitchen open or open?
Yeah, open all day. All day.
So 450 Turkish lira, Pandora's. And then they've got the full menu on as well. So, oh, let's have a look.
I'll show you steak menu.
Yeah, just work it out. Right. 2 seconds. I'll take a picture as well. Thank you very much, mate. Right, so the next stop of our first day in Marmaris is Piccadilly. You've seen me here before. You've seen me here for every single year that I've came to Marmaris. And that's because I enjoy the drinks, I enjoy the TV, whether it's a boxing match or a football match, whatever it might be. I'll always end up in Piccadilly. Now we're going to have some food between us all. Just opposite Blue Bay Platinum. Let's have some snacks, enjoy it, and make sure you visit Piccadilly in Marmaris. Nice and clean, thank you very much mate. For that sujuk pepperoni pizza, I remember the other year I rated Piccadilly as the #1 pizza place in Marmaris. That's not going to disappoint. You took kids margarita pizza. Oh, get a load of that. Oh, look at that, beautiful Reg, beautiful, thank you. What's that? So we've got fajitas, calamari, lasagna, oh my god. Right everyone, so we are back at Sweet Corner in Marmaris, one of my favourite bars and restaurants. I've just gone something simple today because it is raining outside. The sun's definitely trying to get through, but it is raining. I've gone for an omelette with sujuk, which is their version of pepperoni, but obviously no pork. And I actually think it's so much tastier than pepperoni. The kids, let me just flip this around. The kids have gone for cheeseburger and chips. Rochelle's gone for a Mexican burger. Whoa, what is on that?
Looks delicious.
Mexican burger for Rochelle. Corey's gone for a full English breakfast with a homemade hash brown. And Oscar's gone for a cheeseburger as well. And then just at the back, Teddy's playing over there, but he's gone for sausages, chips and beans. Teddy's just over there playing on the bouncy castle. So whilst it's raining, we came here, relax. There's not much to do in Marmaris when it rains, you know. You can't really go to the water park, you can't really do water sports, or you can't go on a boat trip, or you can't do horse riding because it's raining. So the only thing you can do is get to a bar. And one of my favourite things to eat when I am abroad is omelettes. I absolutely love sujuk, unbelievable. Well played, Sweet Corner. One of the best bars and restaurants out here. One of the best steaks you can get in Marmaris. Beautiful breakfast. Corey's got a full English. Burgers are spot on. They also do a massive food challenge burger. But if you want something simple, you've got omelettes on there as well, and they just do it right. Perfect for families, perfect for kids with a little play area. And yeah, massively recommended by myself. Dad loves food if you're visiting Marmaris. First time I'm ever going to try cat and rice. Anything's going to taste nice, including cat. Right, so this is the first stop on the boat trip. Thank you very much, Chucky, for sorting it out. Oh my god, they've started jumping in. The deck you're not allowed to jump from. Where are they? Look at these views, unbelievable. Alright buddy. Right, so we're at another stop off point now on the boat party, the boat cruise, and to be fair, the scenery is unbelievable.
Are we eating down there?
But as nice as it is to look at all this, we've also got food on board today. So we're going to go down, and it's the first time I'm ever going to try cat and rice. It's a basic food service, but thank you very much, Ron.
Gonna be enough, or do you want more?
Oh, give us another one, we'll have another one, don't worry for us. Extra bread, extra bread! So it is basic, it's chicken, pasta, salad, bread, and then we've got some chips as well that you can have for about £4.50, something like that. But I suppose once you've had a skin bowl, you're on an all-inclusive boat trip, anything's going to taste nice, including cat. For an all-inclusive booze cruise. The food, yeah, exactly, the food is sound. Right, so just off the boat trip, I actually said to them, don't go straight to the ice cream place, don't fall for prices, don't get dragged in anywhere quick, because to lunch you have to make the money as quick as they can. Straight away, they all got ice creams. Nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, good lads. Tourist trap.
Great.
That nice, Isla. What flavour?
I got Oreo with white chocolate sauce.
Let's explore Tarunch a little bit more. Beautiful area, Tarunch. Look at this. I remember my mum and dad had a picture. It was either on that bridge or that over there. And it is stunning here. Absolutely stunning. Kids are playing in the park. Oscar, Blake, Isla. These are the bits that no one expects from Marmaris. Like how beautiful it is. Honestly, the palm trees, the calm sea, the sun shining. Unbelievable. Now we've just came off the boat party, the Black Pearl, really good booze cruise, and now we're going to go to Marmaris Marina. Marmaris Marina! But he's going to do the map, so the next issue is Sunny Marmaris in July, after the one that's coming out in 2 weeks. We'll have hey, Butty, start with this one. Butty, did you start with this one? So Butty's going to help us make the map of the marina. So what we're going to do is record every single bar from Fredonia, or Yes Restaurant, and we're going to go through making sure you know all the bars on this part of the marina. Look how stunning the views are here. Unbelievable. And most people, they think that the marina is expensive, and usually wherever you go, the marinas are, the harbours, the marinas, but for some reason Marmaris Marina isn't expensive. You can come down and have a decent seafood meal for like 15 quid. You can get beers from a bar on the corner like £2, it's insane. Everyone but here. Whoa, look at that Butty, fresh fish. Whoa, choc gazelle.
Take a video.
Sol. Everyone but here, lemon. Have you got them all, Butty? Thank you very much, mate. Fresh seafood again. Beautiful. Merhaba, mate, alright?
How are we?
Yeah, good,
I
thank
see
you.
you are in Spain, and then
Last week, Gran
Last week,
Canaria.
yeah, I
Last
see.
week, Gran Canaria.
good to see you.
This week, Turkey.
Very welcome. Anytime I buy you some beer.
Thank you, mate.
Buy
Saul.
some beer.
This week, I'll come down.
Okay, good to see you.
Saul, mate, thank you.
Have a nice day.
And I
Thank
give
you.
you a big table upstairs. Hello, draft be under 15.
No problem, mate. Thank you very much, mate. Saul. Saul.
Video?
I know you, mate. You are famous in England.
You are famous.
Is there, YouTube?
You are famous in England.
Yeah, my name is hello, everybody. How are you?
Yeah, good,
Yeah.
mate. Good. Thank you very
I
much,
check
mate.
sometimes your video.
Oh, mate,
Yeah.
thank you very much, Saul. Thank you.
Congratulations. Good.
See you soon,
good.
mate. Thank you.
Cheaper than us the price.
So,
How
mate.
are you, my friend? Oh yeah, good.
Good, mate. You okay?
I tell you what, great to see you, my friend.
Yes,
you
mate.
remember me
Yeah.
from the beach front?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice to see
Now
you.
you're here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Relax better on the marina.
Of course.
Have a good season, mate. Cheapest on the marina, Barash. Thank you very much, mate. All right.
How are you? Fine, very well, yeah?
Yeah, good, thank you. Where is Rochelle going? So this way, so you've got Cafe Barash, and then up the side here, you've got Mama Castle. Just up the side there. The beautiful Mama Castle. Merhaba, mate. All right. Yeah, good, thank you, mate. Just over £2 an ice cream. Of course you can have 10. Nil restaurants. Get ice cream. They're getting ice cream. Yeah, it's not me. Got a boat trip here, hire it, private boat, fishing boat. How much is the fishing boat?
Free.
How much? Come on, if we want one day, how much?
How many people?
14.
14.
1, 4. 20 each. Oh, tamam, Saul. Thank you. 20 each on the fishing boat. Everyone ready? See you later on, mate. Sowell. Hello, mate. Hello, Merhaba.
Okay, Layla place. Yeah.
Layla place.
Very famous Marmaris, this place.
Yeah. Maybe I'll come one day this week.
Yeah, fishes, nice seafood here.
Oh, beautiful,
Check it
mate.
inside.
Perfect, mate. Sowell. Kev, this way.
The castle.
Mama Castle.
Mama
This
Castle
way.
here.
Yes, I know, Mama Castle.
Okay.
Tamam, Sowell.
Tamam, see you.
You ready? Yes, mate. Yeah. We'll come see you this week.
Okay.
Matty. This way. So we're going to walk through now, all of us. Follow the leader, follow the leader. And let's go and see. She might not be here. Oh, she might be. Merhaba. Aydan. Where is Aydan? Oh, mama. Merhaba. Nasılsın? Oh, Aydan, you okay?
Okay, you?
Yeah, good, thank you, good. Look, Kev. Please, oh, thank you very much.
Mama. You good? How are you?
Really good,
Mama 30 years, daughter, mum, many.
Right, let's get some souvenirs, Rochelle. So these are the cheapest souvenirs anywhere. So if you're going to take anyone home, yes.
Yavrum, canım ben.
Oh, Sowell.
Buradasın sen.
Sowell. So, Isla, do you want to pick anything? One of them, yeah. Let's pick things, Isla. Sorry, love, sorry.
I have card machine, no problem.
Oh, now you have card machine. Oh, business is good. Business
Business good, no problem.
Everyone get whatever you want.
Business good. We've got a card machine. Get everything you want, kids. Everything you want. You come see Mama Castle and Aydın.
Sen çok güzelsin, sen çok güzelsin.
Çok güzel.
Bam güzelsin, bam.
She say you are nice people.
Oh, Sowell. Sowell, thank you very much. Oh, look at this, Mama Castle. Sowell. Keep getting stuff, keep going, keep buying stuff. The cheapest souvenirs in Marmaris is with Mama Castle. So, Mama Castle here, if you just go down Cafe Barish from Marmaris Marina, which is this way, and then this will lead you to Mama. Look at that, £2 for £1. £2 for £1, dirt cheap. Cheap, you won't find things this cheap anywhere else. Anywhere. You got the castle there, and this is Mama Castle. 2 for 50 Turkish lira, that's less than £1 now, because it's about 58 lira to the pound. Listen, if you are visiting Marmaris or Ishmael, make sure you come and visit Mama Castle here, just behind Cafe Barish. Come and spend some money, get the cheapest souvenirs ever.
Sefi, just come and choose it. It's not my style.
Mama kapıda olmazsa neşte bir yere.
She say you come again. Every month coming.
Every month, Mama, every month.
Thank you very much, all right.
Oh, you're welcome,
Thank
you're
you very
welcome.
much.
Right, Michelle.
You are very nice.
No, Kevin, not that way.
Michelle here, Michelle.
This way, right.
Very good.
Where's Rochelle? £10. Cheap. Cheap, mate. Çok güzel. This is Grand Bazaar in Marmaris. Good season this year. We're going to have a good one.
Yeah, this year more.
Shopping centre. Shopping centre. See you later, mate. You're welcome.